After a long day, it can feel really good to unwind, decompress the body, calm your mind, and hopefully sleep better as well. This quick flow you can do before going to bed. You don't really need anything, but if you have some blankets or some pillows that you want to add to this flow, you can do that too. My name is Sarah Kiriconi. Let's begin. So you'll come to a seated position. Let the soles of your feet come together. Right, and just start to butterfly the legs a little bit. Meaning, you're gonna flap the knees up and down. Take a deep breath in. And then exhale, relax the legs. So stop moving on your exhale. Inhale. Flutter, 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 flutter. And then exhale, relax. One more time like that. Inhale, flutter. And then exhale, relax. You can stay just as you are, or inhale, extend the spine. Exhale, hinge from the waist, and take a little forward fold through center. 2 more. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale, rise back up. You take your hands to the inside of the knees and a gentle twist. This doesn't have to be deep. Inhale, lengthen. And exhale, twist to the right. Inhale. And exhale. Good, come back to center, inhale, and twist to the left. Inhale. Come on back to center. You're gonna take the legs wide now. So that might be keeping a bend in your knees. Here's where maybe the pillow is a good one to either place underneath your knees or underneath where your butt. Inhale to a long spine. You're just gonna fold gently over your right leg. Breathe for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, rise back up. So in these especially, it's about going slow and with the So we're going to fold over the left side. Again, it's not about moving fast, it's about moving slow and with the breath. Inhale, lengthen. And exhale, folding over the left leg. Deep breath in. And exhale. 2. And 1. Good, come on back up. And then walk your hands forward out in front of you. Stay up on the palms, perfectly fine. Maybe come onto the forearms. Maybe you're relaxing your forehead all the way down towards the floor or your mattress. Take a deep breath in. And exhale. 2. And exhale. Inhale, come on back up. You're gonna lower onto your back, however that may be for you. As you lower all the way down, hug your right knee into your chest and extend the right leg up towards the ceiling and grab the back of your right calf, your thigh, or maybe you reach for the foot. And you're stretching out the hamstring here. Deep breath in, long exhale. Inhale 2. Inhale. And full exhale. So come into a reclining pigeon. Bend your left knee, cross your right ankle over the left knee. Right foot stays flexed, your right knee tracks forward. Maybe grab for the back of your left thigh. Deep breath in. And exhale. 4 more in. And exhale. Start to calm your mind. Inhale. And exhale. 2 more in. Follow your breath. Inhale. And exhale. Lower your left foot down towards the floor or your mattress. Hug your right knee in towards your chest in a spinal twist. Your left leg will extend long. Take a deep breath in. Right arm extends out to the right side. And on the exhale, let your knee drop to the left. Gaze can be up towards the ceiling or look over your right fingertips. Breathe. 3. 2. 1 more inhale. And full exhale. Come back to center. We're going to switch sides. So lower your right foot down. Your left leg will extend to the ceiling now. In that hamstring stretch, your right leg will be straight. Grab the back of your left thigh, your calf, or grab for that foot. Deep breath in. And exhale. Inhale. Relax and let go. 2 more in. And inhale. Full exhale. Rebend that right knee. Now in our reclining pigeon, on the left side, your left ankle crosses over your right knee. Again, the left foot stays flexed, left knee tracks forward. Maybe grab the back of your right thigh. We hold 5 full breaths, so deep inhale. And exhale. Try and send that breath into your left hip, that left hip area. And that's where you really start to let go of a lot of the tension from your day. Believe it or not, a lot of emotion gets stored in the hips. So they say. And I've cried in pigeon, so I believe it. For 3. 2. And 1. We're going to take that twist. Your right leg extends all the way, leg comes down. Hug the left knee into your chest. Left hand to the left side. Take a deep breath in. And exhale, twisting. Deep inhale. In. Coming back to center. Your legs will extend long out in front of you, or if that bothers your low back, you can bend your knees and have the soles of your feet connected. If so, let your knees come in to touch one another with your feet a little bit wider. You're going to take your left hand to your heart, your right hand to your belly, and just follow your breath. Inhale and exhale. You can close your eyes too. I'll guide you. Inhale. Exhale. Feel the chest rise. Inhale. Feel the belly rise. Inhale. In and out. Try and start to lengthen your exhales here. Inhale. And exhale. 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 Inhale. Exhale, exhale, exhale. 1 more. Inhale. Exhale, exhale, and exhale. Take the palms together and you're gonna rub them together. Create some friction. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. You're gonna take the heels of your palms, feel that energy, and press them into your eyes, right into the eye sockets. Feel that relaxing, stress-relieving pressure. Keep following your breath and just feel as your face starts to soften. You let go of the stress from the day as you restore and begin to calm your mind down, preparing for sleep and rest. Deep breath in. And letting go, release the hands. So you're going to stay laying down and hopefully go to bed. Before doing so, thank you for joining me in this evening restore flow. My name is Sarah Kirikoni, Live Free Warrior. See you soon in another upcoming video.